Hello guys, welcome back to another edition. So I'm going to put a link into the description on this video of a previous video of which I did on the Wrington Vale light railway. Now things have changed slightly because on that video I couldn't come along this piece of the railway because it's private and I had to respect not to do so. Having a chat with the landowner, who I've known for many years, he has granted me permission to come along, and my only objective is basically to uncover the mysteries of the Wrington Vale light railway. And he fully understands that. He understands why I'm interested, because obviously my father was born in Burnson Station House, which is further along the line towards Blagdon. But I am in Wrington today, and I am walking along the old track bed here. And my main objective is to just do a tiny little bit of video on one of the bridges, or one of three bridges actually, that ran over the Yeo, the River Yeo. So one being just the other side of Congsbury Station, between Yatton and Congsbury. This one, and then further on up the one on the other side of the Wrington Station, heading out towards Langford basically. So I'm just going to stop video here, because I'm well aware that I am now on private property, and although I granted him permission, although he's granted me permission, I don't want to take the mickey basically. So there you go. So the next clip you will see, hopefully, will be the bridge. The bridge is no longer there, but the parapets are there apparently. So, and this is my main aim, is just to go and see what's left of that. It's a beautiful day. I'm going to pan round up onto Wrington Hill and show you the views. So this part of the track bed, guys, the raised track bed, is basically around about a quarter of a mile from the station, possibly a little bit more. And like I say, my main objective as I walk along this historic line is to basically do a piece on one of the crossings that takes you across the Yeo. Now I'm not entirely sure how far it is, but I can remember coming down there as a boy, so we will just plod on. But the scenery out here, guys, is pretty phenomenal, to be honest. And the autumnal colours on the trees, etc. So basically I've got Wrington Hill, woods, etc. on my right hand side, and as I pan round I've got the track bed there fully in front of me. Beautiful clouds in the sky today. It's a lovely day. I will just keep panning round. We've got the woodland there on my left, and as I keep panning round, the Mendip Hills in the distance there. It's a gorgeous day for a walk along the old Wrington Vale light railway track bed. I feel very privileged because it is private, so please don't come down here because, like I said, I'm only going this way because I have been given permission from the landowner, so please do respect that. I might walk back a different way across the fields, I'm not too sure yet. Anyway, we'll keep going in search of the old railway bridge. Yeah, so guys, I found the old railway bridge. There is not a lot to look at, but it is there. So there is the old parapet of the railway bridge there, guys. They used to carry the train along the Wrington Vale light railway from Yatton station through Congsbury, and it used to branch off at Congsbury on the left. I will put a description to another video I've done on that as well, and that would have carried it again across the Yeo, along towards Wrington station, across to Langford Common, to Burnton Station House where my father was born, and then up into Blagdon. So I have been waiting quite a while to come down here, guys, and take a look at this bridge, or what remains of the bridge. Apparently it was a metal structure that went across the parapets there, but it's a beautiful part of the line, I can just imagine. Fantastic. It is a stunning autumn day. We have the church there in front of me, in the faraway distance. So there you go, guys. The gimbal's playing up a little bit. A bit confused as to what it's meant to be filming, I think, but I can't blame the tools there. So I'm going to stop here a minute, take a few pictures, a few photos, sorry, and get myself back on the footpath. I can remember where it is, because obviously, technically I am trespassing here, but like I say, I have been granted permission off a very kind landowner. Yeah, so there you go then guys, heading back along the footpath now guys. I'm just looking up on Wrington Hill there, up towards Presto Wood, one of my other videos I've done recently. Got a fantastic view of the church and the Autumnal hills there. I'll see if I can zoom in a bit and see what I can capture. That's just looking the other way guys, at the Mendip Hills. Just coming round back to the church there, in the distance. So there you go guys, I was just sort of stuck in the house in between work and I needed to get out, get a bit of headspace. So I thought, right, I've been thinking about that little bridge where I hung around as a small boy with my mates a long time ago now. And I thought, right, I've seen the landowner there a couple of days ago. He says, absolutely fine, Darren, get yourself down there mate, you know, fill your boots. And like I said, my only objective really was to film a bit of the old Wrington Vale light railway track bed, and also to rediscover the parapets of that bridge. And I've achieved that, so I'm happy boy. I'll put together this little video for you. Like I said, I'll put 2 links in the description. One was a video I did a long time ago, heading in the opposite direction into the station and then picking up the 3 railway bridges on the other side. And the other link will be from where the railway left Congsbury station. Now many of you would have probably watched that or watched them, but the ones that haven't, please do take a look. I'm just picking up the footpath now, so just making sure I am in the right place. So guys, if you like this sort of content, then please do drop me a like, drop me a comment, possibly consider subscribing. It is absolutely free. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, which is Somerset Man Walking. So I hope you've enjoyed this little video. I know it's a bit of a chatty one, but we can't always do or go where we want to. I'm sort of sticking local today because, like I said, I am working of sorts. I'm between bits and bobs. So all the best guys, thanks for watching, I really do appreciate it. All the best from Somerset Man Walking. Cheers guys, I'll catch you on the next one. All the best.